Welcome to my channel. Hey guys! So, yan, for today's video, ang gagawin natin ay mukbang. So, with a twist, ang gagawin namin ay, may kasama pala ako guys, yung ate ko. So, yan, kasama ko yung ate ko. Tapos yan, magmumukbang kami, but with a twist, English only challenge. Okay? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Muna tayo thumbnail. Okay na. Dapat magkamukha tayo. Okay, sorry.
Ganun ba yun?
Okay, so hey guys! So yun nga, magmumukbang na kami. So, yun, mukbang. Uy, wala tayong tinidor. Yung tinidor nandito layo. Tinidor. Meron kaming ice cream.
Selecta.
Oh, English only. No. I'm so sorry.
Selecta Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds.
No, it's almond.
Almonds.
Yeah, almond. Okay, so we have food. Oh, medyo
Yes.
nakaka-nosebleed po itong challenge na to, ano? Oh, I speak in
It's
Tagalog.
wet.
No, I speak in Tagalog. No. Okay, so we have... Oh, let the viewers see this food. See the foods. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Oishi Pon Crunchy. And it's salted egg flavor. Okay, so next. Oh, what's that? Oh, no. Oh, we have butter coconut crackers again, but biscuit.
And Vitamilk double choco shake.
Okay, so next we have ice cream, but inside is fish. Oh, fish but chocolate. Oh, why chocolate? This should be fish.
Yes. Why it's chocolate?
Oh, yeah, chocolate. Okay, so next we have chocolate again. Oh, chocolate. And what's this? Oh, you let them see.
We have Reese's and many Kit Kat and
Everything.
Yes.
Everything.
That's all.
Hi, everything. Okay, so next we have cheese. What this? Cheese wafer.
And Nissin Cup Noodles hot cheesy seafood.
I'm Jopay.
What's Jopay?
No, don't ask.
Okay, don't ask.
We have flat tops.
And we have water in case
They didn't see the water.
in case we're choking.
Choking. Okay, so let's start. Woo! Okay, so what's this for?
This is for I'm going
Noodles.
to eat my favorite ice cream.
You show them. Show them pala.
It's not fish. I'm sorry. It's ice cream. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys.
Okay, so let's taste. So this is cup noodles in hot cheesy flavor. See, hot cheesy seafood flavor.
Yeah, but
you look.
it's not that spicy.
Oh, you see? Oh, you adjust. Wait. Okay, so this is that. Oh no. No.
It's not that spicy.
Is this delicious?
Yeah,
Delicious.
that's my favorite.
Oh, I don't care.
And I love cheese, guys. In
Okay,
case
so
you want to know.
my ear is what you call that? No, I don't know.
Okay, so we're going to eat this ice cream. This is for the noodles.
Mas delicious.
Yeah, and not that spicy.
Delicious.
Because it's yucky. This is my favorite ice cream.
No one asked.
Hey, don't do that to me.
What? Stop. Okay, so guys, sorry for the interruption. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So,
Sorry for the
oh
inconvenience.
yes, we're an American. And we're tasting Filipino food. So let's taste Filipino food. Okay, let's taste. Oh, in America, there's no seafood spicy. No,
Yeah,
nothing.
because that's from the Philippines.
Yeah, it's delicious. So, I think I should go to the grocery to buy something like this. Yeah, am I right? No, no one asked.
Okay.
Eat.
And this too.
What's that? Fish? Oh, there's mosquito in my feet.
In my feet? In your feet?
Yes, this is feet. This is delicious.
Can I taste it?
Yes. It doesn't taste like... Ano ba? I think my English grammar is wrong. Oh, delicious?
It's my favorite.
Oh, I don't care.
That's bad when you're eating hot and cold. Your stomach may hurt, so
But
don't.
your crush is called to you. Oh.
But your crush is called to you.
Look. It's yummy.
Okay, so I think I should eat this. This is always...
Oishi.
Oh, let's taste.
Cracker. No, I don't like salted egg.
Just taste it.
Okay, taste.
It smells like... You know what I mean? Okay, ba? Okay,
Hey,
so...
English only.
Oh, smelly. Not the...
It's not delicious. I'm not going
Hold
to.
on. Yahak.
It tastes like a real salted egg.
Oh, sorry. For the inconvenience.
This is my favorite too.
I think later we're gonna poop
This.
because of the mixed food.
Yes. You
Yeah.
shouldn't do that.
Yeah, true.
I like that. Can I taste that again?
Yes. Look.
Look. It's yummy.
Okay, so I think I should eat this. This is always...
Oishi.
Oh, let's taste.
Cracker. No, I don't like salted egg.
Just taste it.
Okay, taste.
It smells like... You know what I mean? Okay, ba? Okay,
Hey,
so...
English only.
Oh, smelly. Not the...
It's not delicious. I'm not going
Hold
to.
on. Yahak.
It tastes like a real salted egg.
Oh, sorry. For the inconvenience.
This is my favorite too.
I think later we're gonna poop
This.
because of the mixed food.
Yes. You
Yeah.
shouldn't do that.
Yeah, true.
I like that. Can I taste that again?
Yes. But don't ubos-ubos.
Okay. I will shout out my friends later.
Shower out. Okay, so, oh, mosquito again. Stop. Okay, so, taste. Next, butter coconut. I've tasted this before, but, yeah, I like this. So, you should try this too. Okay?
I don't like that.
Oh, I don't care. Oh, is that juice? Ayun. May juice.
Saan?
Ayun, sa loob ng oven.
Baka gusto mo.
Toot! Interruption. Char.
Convenience.
Oh, small lang kasi. Yes.
yummy.
Yeah.
I like this one.
No, don't over.
Okay.
Does we look the same?
Yeah.
I
Many
mean,
people told us that we look the same.
but I'm more beautiful.
I'm prettier than her.
Hey, get your spoon. Ay, fork.
Oh, is this my fork?
No, I think that's mine. Oh, you empty it.
There's some noodles in it left.
Sarap. I think this, wait, when our parents bought this, I think it's not delicious because it tastes like cheese.
Yeah, and I love cheese. And
I don't love
discovered
cheese.
that it's yummy. She likes ube.
Yes.
And I don't like ube. And I like cheese and she don't like cheese. She doesn't like cheese.
Sarap.
This is more yummy.
And fact, it doesn't like. Am I right? Doesn't or don't?
What's your sentence?
I doesn't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate ice cream.
I like chocolate ice cream and strawberry ice cream flavors and cookies and cream. And she likes ube and pandan and buko and I
Okay,
don't
let's
like
eat
that
fish.
flavor.
I mean chocolate. Oh, the chocolate is to now na.
No, it's not.
Okay, so let's eat Kit Kat. You eat yours.
Yeah, I have
There are
leftovers
scissors there.
from yesterday.
Okay, so let's eat and eat and eat. So oh. So this is Kit Kat. Delicious. But it makes me fat.
My lips look dark because of the ice cream.
May I see?
Hey, don't say that. I know what you're gonna say. That's why I don't open my mouth. My lips only.
Oh, it's itchy.
We should say facts about us, not only eating.
Oh, I think, yeah, you're right. Okay, so, I think we should, what? We should what?
We should say facts
About
about
us. So first,
You start.
I have 2 siblings.
And facts. I have. Wait. I have 7 piercings. Do you wanna see or no?
Is that a fact?
Yes.
Okay, so,
I have conch here and I have helix here, but I don't put some earrings on the
no,
other.
don't promote that.
Okay.
Don't promote.
It's my style, guys.
Yeah. Okay, so fact number 3 ba?
Yeah.
3? No, I don't know.
You can follow me on
Instagram and Twitter, and you can add me on Facebook. I will accept you. I'm
No,
not a
you're not
snobber.
accepting me.
Okay, it's time to drink water.
I don't know what to eat. Can I get water? Oh!
I will only eat ice cream because
It's hot.
yes, and I can't eat that much.
And everything and anything. I should post this tonight or tomorrow.
Okay, I will watch your video because I'm with you in that video.
Nasubos na. Orange soup. I love almonds in here. Oh, almonds. Will eat chocolate. No, I ate too much chocolate. Yeah, earlier. I will be drop if I eat chocolate.
Okay, so that's all. Don't know what to do. Okay, so you eat. Oh, that's everything. We can stop the video. Okay, so let's say bye to them. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like it and subscribe. Bye.